Got the Equinox set up to stock, exactly what was done in the video. Park 1. Recovery speed is still set to factory. Nothing has been changed. Audio hasn't been changed. This thing is out of the box factory. In Park 1, this is the test that's seen on the internet, down the barrel. We don't hear it. No matter where I put that coil, I'm not going to catch that target. Even if I swing fast. If I swing really slow. And I think that's because both targets are on the same plane. There's nothing to distinguish the two targets. So the iron is masking the silver. That's a silver rosy. Okay, so now let's move over to Park 2. Uh-oh, guess what? I hear something. There's enough of a chirp just on Park 2 that any detectorist is going to do this. Guess what? I'm going to dig that target if I'm in an iron place. And I suspect a good target. Clearly a nail. Clearly a ring, gold ring. So nail, gold ring. Park 1 setting. Alright? Now, put one nail over it in Park 1. See if we can hear it in Park 1. Let's turn the iron off so we don't hear the iron anymore. I wouldn't dig that because we're in Park 1, iron bias. Again, just like with the quarter and a dime, we're masking the signal. So let's switch to Park 2, see what happens. Ah, look at that, a 13. That's a really good target idea. I'm thinking nickel. What was the idea on the ring without the iron? Anybody remember? 12. Alright, so now that's one nail, right? In Park 2. Just switching to Park 2. $13, huh? Alright, so now let's put the second nail on it. Still can hear it, right? The idea isn't as good. Not bad though. Still in the gold range. 11, 11, 11. The chances of a good target being completely touching, not separated at all, in any way, shape, or form from a piece of iron is statistically low. Now, if it were in a field of iron, like this, hold this. This is more realistic of what we're probably going to see. This is probably something that we might have happen. Park mode. Guess what? Iron bias. Park 2. Oh, bingo. Score. Now watch what happens when we go this way. I hear 3 signals. And to prove it's 3, watch this. Okay? So, the point is, that's more likely scenario. That's the problem with these tests. And the whole purpose of this video is to show you one little change in the machine, one little change in this scenario, and you can't fail or pass a detector based on those little changes, because the reality is this is still an air test. There's no halo built up around the good target. There's no separation of this target from the other targets in the ground. We're not accounting for ground mineralization. We're not accounting for any of those things. And these machines are not designed to find targets floating around the air. These machines are designed to find targets buried in the ground. So, again, do I think this machine, based on these tests, is a fantastic machine or a bad machine? No.